Have you ever had a question about your credit score or credit report and wanted to talk to a real person? Well, today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to contact Credit Karma by phone. Credit Karma is a free online platform that helps you track your credit score, monitor your credit reports, and even find personalized financial products like credit cards and loans. While their website and app are great resources, sometimes you may want to speak to a customer service representative directly. Step 1. Find the Credit Karma phone number. The first step is to find the Credit Karma phone number. You can find it on their website or by searching online for Credit Karma phone number. Once you have the number, write it down or save it to your contacts. Step 2. Call Credit Karma. Now that you have the phone number, call Credit Karma. You will usually be greeted by an automated system that will ask you to select a language and choose from a list of options. Press the appropriate key to speak to a customer service representative. Step 3. Be patient. Credit Karma may have a high volume of calls, so you may need to wait on hold for a few minutes. However, the wait time is usually not too long. During this time, you can listen to music or browse the website. Step 4. Talk to a customer service representative. Once you're connected to a customer service representative, be patient and polite. Explain your question or issue clearly and concisely. The representative will do their best to help you resolve your problem. Tips for calling Credit Karma. Have your information ready. Before calling Credit Karma, have your account number, social security number, and any other relevant information ready. This will help the representative help you more quickly. Be specific. When you talk to a customer service representative, be specific about your question or issue. This will help them understand the problem and provide you with the best possible solution. Be polite. Remember to be polite and respectful to the customer service representative. They're there to help you, so treat them with kindness. Take notes. If the representative provides you with any important information, take notes or write it down. This will help you remember everything they said and avoid confusion later. Additional tips. Check Credit Karma's website for FAQs. Before calling Credit Karma, check their website for frequently asked questions, FAQs. You may be able to find answers to your questions without having to speak to a representative. Use Credit Karma's online chat feature. If you don't want to call Credit Karma, you can use their online chat feature. This is a great way to get quick answers to simple questions. Leave a message. If you're unable to reach a customer service representative immediately, leave a message with your contact information and a brief description of your issue. Credit Karma will get back to you as soon as possible. By following these tips, you can make the most of your experience contacting Credit Karma by phone. Contacting Credit Karma by phone is a great way to get answers to your questions and resolve any issues you may have. By following these simple steps, you can easily reach a customer service representative and get the help you need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.